Personally, I'm not an oil injection guy. I'm tired of the stories of the little pumps going out. I don't want to have to worry about replacing it. I've seen them where they're just over oil and cause blubbers and weird stuff, and I don't like not being able to control my oil situation. So if you've got these bikes, the new TBI bikes, it's relatively simple. There's just, you have to do this, undo this plug right here, where this goes into the oil pump here, and you just need to fool the ECU, because if this thing is unplugged, the bike's going to run for about 20 seconds and then it's going to shut itself off to protect itself. So you just get these little dongly things, we make them here, they plug in here and fool the ECU, and that's it. Then if you want to take the rest of the stuff off, great. Right now for testing purposes, I'm just leaving it hooked up, full of oil, that way it's not sucking air through this little line. I can go back and forth and do all kinds of things, but for a while now I've just been running on my normal, 40-to-1 mix, now I'm XCW with my favorite Klotz oil, and just leaving this stuff hooked up. But I will ditch it, and there's another plug that comes with this thing, so you can pull this oil line off. There's a cap that goes over this deal here. Yeah, you're going to spill some oil when you're taking all this stuff off, but all this crap in here, all these different oil tanks can all come out. You're going to lighten up the bike and clean it up at the same time and not worry about it fouling. So the rest of the test that I'm going to show you here next, it's all on premix. Okay, well, you can find these on the two-stroke page on the Pinner Racing thing. Thanks for watching. Let's move on.